is Evan. Today we're gonna fix our water heater. It is broken, water is leaking over here too, and the water is very, when I put it cold, it turns hot. So today we're gonna fix it. So yeah. These are the things that you need to do this job. Tape measure, and glue, a knife, and tack poly tape, glasses, hacksaw, wrench, pliers, nut driver, and a screwdriver. That's all you have to take off the gas for the water heater. First you have to twist this thing so this one's on top, and then you have to take a wrench and then you have to unscrew that. This is called a union. This is how you take it apart. So you screw it, and then you take two of them, and then so you do it left and right. You have to drain the water from this whole big thing. Water heater. Turn off the water by pushing that lever. So next, you hook the water hose up to the drain. Turn on hot water for the water to drain faster. We have to cut our pipe off for this way to put it in. See? Power of the force. So next, you unscrew the vents. Unscrew the T and P valve.
Unscrew the pipe from the T and P valve.
Like that.
Yep.
No.
Hey, make sure you disconnect the top two, right? Hot and cold water pipes. And disconnect the vent because we unscrewed it earlier, remember?
Yes.
And the gas is disconnected. And the water's drained out of it.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can put the new one in.
So next, add Teflon tape to the threads. Like that.
Yep, so it keeps it from leaking.
It keeps it from leaking. You do that to both sides too.
Yep.
Next, put the screws into the exhaust vent. Like that.
Yep, that's it.
Then put the TMP pipe back where it goes. Next, you put the water, turn on the water so the tank can fill up, and then you put together the pipe, and you use this type of glue to glue it together, and then you put it on top of the tank. Watching, that's how you do it. This is our new one, and this is our old one. The next step is to make this, turn it on, and then light it with fire, which is this thing that does it. And make sure to subscribe, leave the notifications, ring the bell.